First of all, open your AutoCAD. Type UN and then enter. Then from here, select engineering and precision wheel 0 inches and inserted scale is inches. Then you can select as usual, and from here you can select this international. I'm selecting international, then press OK. Then press from keyboard D for dimension, then press enter, click on modify and then click on line. Then first of all you change extended beyond dim line 5 feet and then offset from origin 1 feet. Then click on symbols and arrows. Arrow size from this I am getting 1 feet, and select this arc length and above dimension text. Then click on text. From this option text height, or first of all you change your expected font. I am selecting Arial. Then set current, click. You can change from here whatever you want. Then from here text height should be changed. I'm getting 1 feet. You can change it for your expectation. I'm changing it to 1 feet, and then offset from dim line 2 feet and click on aligned with dimension line. Then go to feet. From this option just select over dimension line with leader, and then primary units. From their unit format is engineering and precision will be 0.0 feet 0 inches. Then from this option and click on OK. From this option just click on set current and then close. AutoCAD unit has been set. Just you can write a line and you can measure a dimension, click here and then end, click here. You can show this 10 feet. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.